Hello babies, how are you? Welcome to the English literature video classes. We are doing lesson number 6, which is travel stories. Until now we have done the phonic sound of double consonants and the types of sentences, which were statement, questions, exclamation and command or request, right? And the story of Gulliver. Do you remember the story? Let's rewind the story, right? So there was this person whose name was Gulliver. He and his friends decided to go on a voyage, and one night a violent storm broke their ship, right? So all his friends who were on board, what happened? They were drowned. Except whom? Except Gulliver. He was saved and he reached to the shore, where he felt asleep because he was very tired and his whole body was paining, right? So when he woke up, he saw little men running all over his body, and he was tied up, right? And what was the size of the people? They were small people who were the size of thumbnail of Gulliver, right? And these people were known as Lilliputians. And where was he? He was in the land of Lilliputs. So what they did, they tied Gulliver and they put him on a structure which was having wheels and took him to the emperor. So what emperor said? Okay, fine, you can leave here, you are welcome over here, but you have to promise that you will not harm my people, and when needed you will help them. So Gulliver said, okay, fine, I don't have any problem. I accept your conditions. So one day Gulliver was living happily with the Lilliputians, and one day the neighbor kingdom of Bifusu, they declared war on Lilliput, right? So the emperor asked Gulliver to help the kingdom. So what did Gulliver said? He made a plan and he tied all the ships of the enemies together and he dragged them into the water. And then what he did? He kept them tied in the water until the enemy's army, that is Bifusu's army, accepted their defeat. Then finally Bifusu accepted his defeat and agreed for peace between the two kingdoms, that is the kingdom of Bifusu and the Lilliput land, right? So they signed a peace treaty and they lived happily after that. And also Gulliver lived in the land for many years. Now today what we are going to do is, we are going to discuss the exercise questions. That is your page number 83. Let's first do exercise number 1, right? So this is your classwork. What is it? Write the true false for the following. So number 1 is, Gulliver landed on a place full of small trees. Is it true? Yes, it is true, right? There were small trees, isn't it? The tiny men were bigger than Gulliver's thumbnail. Thumbnail से बड़े थे क्या छोटे लोग? नहीं ना. So this is false. Gulliver was not willing to help Lilliputians. This is also false, because what happened? Gulliver was ready to help the Lilliputians, right? The emperor rewarded Gulliver for his help. True. जब गलिवर ने लिलीपुटियंस को और एम्परर को हेल्प किया वॉर में, तो उनको रिवॉर्ड दिया था ना एम्परर ने, राइट? ओके, सो आंसर एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. What is here? We have to write the answers to the questions in the notebook. Where we have to write the answers? We have to write the answers to the questions in the notebook. So what is answer number A? Who were on the voyage? Who were on the voyage? Gulliver and his friends were in the voyage, right? Answer number B. What happened when the storm came one night? What happened? You remember? Storm, जोर से आंधी तूफान आया था. What happened? The ship of Gulliver broke down, isn't it? The ship wrecked out. And what happened? The friends of Gulliver were drowned in the water. डूब गए ना उसके सारे friends, and only Gulliver was left, right? Answer number C. What did Gulliver see when he opened his eyes the next morning? Gulliver ने क्या देखा जब उसने अगले दिन सुबह अपनी आंखें खोली? What did Gulliver see? Gulliver saw little man running all over his body and around him, right? So next morning when Gulliver opened his eyes, he saw little people running all around, isn't it? D. Answer number D. Finally, they arrived at the emperor's palace. Who are they in this sentence? Why did they come to the palace? So answer number D में who are they in this sentence? And Gulliver and the Lilliputians are referred to as they in this sentence, right? And why did they come to the palace? They came to the palace to present Gulliver in front of the emperor. Right? Why? Because Gulliver was a stranger and very big in size, so Lilliputians took him to the emperor. Answer number E. How did Gulliver help Lilliput in the war? Remember, what did Gulliver do? Gulliver tied all the enemy ships together and dragged them into the water, isn't it? सबको साथ में बांध के खींच के पानी में ले गया ना? And then what he did? He kept them tied until they accepted their defeat. Right? जब तक उन्होंने हार स्वीकार नहीं की तब तक उनको बांध के रखा. Right? Okay. Now, exercise number 3. In exercise number 3, what you have to write? You have to write suitable words to describe the qualities of Gulliver and Lilliputians. So, what were the qualities? The qualities of Gulliver and Lilliputians were that they were brave, kind, generous, helpful, and friendly people, isn't it? Don't worry, I am sharing the answers to you at the end of the video. At the end of the video, you can find the answers to your questions. So, you can note it down in your notebook. No issues, right? Chalo, exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 mein what we have to write? This is also your classwork. And answers, this is your homework, right? So you have to write it down. Complete the following table using information from the story. Story से देखकर हमें इसमें informations लिखना है, table complete करना है, right? Who was the main character? कौन है main character इस story का? Gulliver, right? Gulliver is the main character. What was the problem? What was the problem? The problem was that the neighbor kingdom declared war on Lilliputians, right? How was the problem solved? Gulliver helped to defeat enemies, right? And won the war, isn't it? So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will proceed with the next exercise, which is your vocabulary, right? Chalo, see you then. Take care. And at the end of the video I have shared the answers. Please write it down in your notebook.